Okay, we've got these little tables. They're like an aluminum table, and the top of it looks really bad. It's being painted or something like that. So I'm gonna try and clean it up and make it look good. Okay, so to get this paint off, I'm gonna try some acetone and see how that works. Seems to be working rather well.
Wow.
Just melting the paint right off of it. Sort of like nail polish.
Well, it was just spray paint, right?
Yeah, somebody spray painted it.
And did a very bad job.
It just peeled off, so. Oh, look at that, it's coming clean.
Oh my God. That's fantastic.
It's gonna take a bit of rubbing, but hey. Better than sanding.
Okay, I'll check back in a few minutes.
Okay. Of course, you need to do this outside or a good, really ventilated area. Because it does stink and it evaporates quite quickly, so make sure you're outside. Okay, we're gonna try this stuff. Don't know if you can see it. It's aluminum and mag wheel cleaner, polisher. We'll try it on this table. Let's see how it goes. Let's do a half thing. Okay, these are pretty oxidized and pretty gross looking. But I got the top looking pretty good. Look at how shiny that is. Looks pretty good. Look at how shiny those are. Doesn't take much. A little bit of polish and a bit of rubbing. Very nice. Look at that. Almost brand new again. Fantastic, eh?
Yep. Love it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.